Just quickly, if the watch stops right away, just all of a sudden, that's a battery replacement. If the watch runs late, even just a few minutes a day, then perhaps is a problem with the watch itself, or maybe with the battery contacts inside the watch. Now, if you find corrosion on battery contacts, never blow with your mouth, thinking you are going to blow that corrosion away. It could be like flakes. So those flakes, if you blow, they will get into the tiny gears and it's game over for that watch. It's impossible to fix. Well, actually it's possible. Nobody will do it for a quartz watch. So if there's corrosion on contacts, try perhaps gently with something metallic to just scratch the contacts to clean them. But it's going to be difficult to recover the debris from that corrosion that fall inside around the battery compartment. So just careful with that. Maybe use something like a small piece of kind of paper towel, just wet it a little bit and try to kind of, just tap over those debris to kind of make them stick to the paper and remove them this way. But again, never blow with your mouth.